like we get to walk around with these beautiful tools. So what can the Bacham Dao offer us? So we know that the blade is an extension of our arm, but actually the blade teaches us that our arm is the blade. We see that the knuckle guard lines up with the blade, which also lines up perfectly with the blade of our arm. And we always want the blade to be aiming at our target, whether that's the defensive aspect or the offensive aspect. That teaches us that the punch is also like that, that our knuckles want to face our target. And if we see that the blade of the arm, which has both a top and a bottom, or a front and a back, if you think about almost every technique in Wing Chun, we use the blade of the arm, whether it's a Chan Sao, a Fak Sao, a Buji Sao, a Bong Sao, a Tan Sao on this side, a Jum Sao, the Gang Sao, the Lan Sao, the Pi Chung, Kwai Chung. Once they're in motion, because it's usually a heavy weapon against another weapon, it teaches us that we also want to stay in motion constantly. So obviously continuous flow is already a concept of Wing Chun, but this one really solidifies that idea.